Welcome to this summary video of the 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma. In this video, we'll explore the key concepts of the book and provide you with detailed insights and strategies that you can use to improve your life. Are you ready to wake up early and join the club? Let's get started. The concept of the 5 a.m. Club. The concept of the 5 a.m. Club is rooted in the idea that the early morning hours are a precious and untapped resource that we can use to improve our lives. By waking up at 5 a.m. and dedicating the first hours of our day to personal growth, we can gain a competitive advantage and achieve our goals faster and more effectively than others. One of the key benefits of waking up at 5 a.m. is that it allows us to start our day on a positive note. Instead of rushing through our morning routine and feeling stressed and overwhelmed, we can take the time to center ourselves and set our intentions for the day. By doing so, we can reduce our stress levels, increase our focus and productivity, and approach our tasks with a clear and calm mind. Another benefit of waking up at 5 a.m. is that it allows us to create a consistent and sustainable routine. When we wake up at the same time every day, our body adjusts to the new schedule and we can enjoy more restful and restorative sleep. This in turn allows us to wake up feeling refreshed and energized, ready to tackle the day ahead. The 20-20-20 rule is a simple yet powerful formula that can help us make the most of the early morning hours. The first 20 minutes of exercise can help us wake up our body and mind, increase our energy levels, and boost our mood. This could be as simple as doing a few stretches, going for a short run or walk, or doing some yoga. The second 20 minutes of reflection, meditation, or journaling can help us clear our mind and set our intentions for the day. This could involve writing down our goals and priorities, practicing mindfulness or meditation, or simply taking a few moments to appreciate the present moment and express gratitude for what we have. The last 20 minutes of learning or reading can help us expand our knowledge and gain insights that can help us grow and improve. This could involve reading a book or article on a topic that interests us, listening to a podcast or TED Talk, or taking an online course to develop a new skill or expertise. By following the 20-20-20 rule, we can create a well-rounded and holistic routine that supports our personal growth and well-being. We can improve our physical health, mental clarity, and emotional well-being, and develop the skills and knowledge we need to achieve our goals and make a positive impact in the world. The three main characters. The 5 a.m. Club follows the story of three characters: the entrepreneur, the artist, and the miner. Each character represents a different archetype and faces different challenges, but they all share a desire to improve their lives and achieve their goals. The entrepreneur is a successful business owner who wants to take his life and business to the next level. He struggles with burnout, stress, and a lack of focus, and he's looking for a way to regain his passion and purpose. The artist is a creative individual who's struggling with writer's block and a lack of inspiration. She's feeling stuck and frustrated, and she's looking for a way to break free from her creative rut. The miner is a hard-working individual who wants to improve his life and provide a better future for his family. He's working long hours in a manual labor job and struggling to make ends meet, but he's determined to find a way to succeed and create a better life for himself and his loved ones. The three characters meet at a luxurious resort and become unlikely friends. They form a club and start meeting every morning at 5 a.m. to apply the 20-20-20 formula and work on their personal growth. Throughout the book, the characters learn valuable lessons and overcome their challenges through the power of discipline, mindset, and community. The 4 interior empires. Another central concept in the 5 a.m. Club is the 4 interior empires: mindset, heartset, healthset, and soulset. These empires represent different aspects of our lives and personalities that need to be cultivated and balanced for us to live a fulfilled and successful life. Mindset is about our thoughts and beliefs, and how they shape our perception of the world and ourselves. The book emphasizes the importance of cultivating a growth mindset, where we believe that we can improve and learn from our failures. The book also emphasizes the importance of staying positive and optimistic, even in the face of challenges and setbacks. Heartset is about our emotions and relationships, and how they impact our well-being and happiness. The book suggests that we focus on cultivating positive emotions such as gratitude, love, and kindness, and building strong relationships with our loved ones and community. The book also emphasizes the importance of forgiveness and letting go of past grudges and resentments. Healthset is about our physical well-being and how it affects our energy, focus, and overall health. The book recommends that we adopt healthy habits such as regular exercise, good nutrition, and quality sleep to support our physical health and well-being. The book also emphasizes the importance of taking breaks and rest to avoid burnout and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Soulset is about our spiritual growth and purpose, and how it gives meaning and direction to our lives. The book suggests that we find our purpose by identifying our unique strengths, values, and passions and using them to make a positive impact in the world. The book also emphasizes the importance of connecting with something bigger than ourselves, whether it's a higher power, a cause, or a community. The importance of community. Community is another important theme in the 5 a.m. Club. The book emphasizes the power of peer group support and accountability in achieving our goals and overcoming our challenges. The characters in the book form a club and support each other through their personal growth journeys. They hold each other accountable, provide feedback and encouragement, and celebrate their wins together. Being part of a community can provide us with the support and motivation we need to achieve our goals. When we surround ourselves with like-minded individuals who share our values and aspirations, we can tap into their energy and enthusiasm and feel inspired and empowered to pursue our dreams. The book also emphasizes the importance of having mentors and role models who can guide and inspire us in our personal growth journey. The characters in the book learn from their mentors and gain valuable insights that help them overcome their challenges and achieve their goals. Having a mentor or role model can provide us with guidance and direction, and help us avoid common pitfalls and mistakes. By learning from someone who's already achieved what we want to achieve, we can gain valuable knowledge and experience and accelerate our own growth and success. The book also emphasizes the importance of giving back to the community and making a positive impact in the world. When we use our skills, knowledge, and resources to help others, we can create a sense of purpose and meaning in our lives and make a difference in the world. By supporting and serving others, we can also create a ripple effect of positivity and inspiration that can inspire others to do the same. This can create a virtuous cycle of growth and contribution, where we support each other and create a better world for ourselves and future generations. In conclusion, community is a crucial element of personal growth and self-improvement. By surrounding ourselves with supportive and like-minded individuals, we can tap into their energy and enthusiasm and gain valuable insights and feedback that can help us achieve our goals and overcome our challenges. By being part of a community, we can also give back and make a positive impact in the world, creating a better future for ourselves and future generations. Conclusion. The 5 a.m. Club is a powerful book that offers practical advice and inspiration for personal growth and self-improvement. The book's core message is that by waking up early and dedicating the first hours of our day to personal growth, we can achieve our goals and create a fulfilling and successful life. By applying the 20-20-20 rule, cultivating our 4 interior empires, and surrounding ourselves with supportive and like-minded individuals, we can unlock our full potential and live a life of purpose and meaning. We hope this summary video has given you a more in-depth understanding of the book's insights and inspiration. If you're interested in learning more, we highly recommend that you read the 5 a.m. Club for yourself. And if you're ready to join the club, don't forget to set your alarm for 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.